Hi y'all, welcome to Miss T Ideas. And uh my daughter, my birthday, most if you don't know, my birthday is Saturday. And my daughter told me a gift was coming in and she wanted me to open it online as an unboxing with y'all. Um they know how my kids know how serious I take my crafting and being online with you guys. And yeah, it's a blessing. But she's not the type that want me to ever ask me to open something in public or nothing like this. She's not that type. So you know what? I'm nervous. I don't know what this I don't know what this can be. I don't know. I'm trying to center this camera. Okay. I don't want to mess with it too much because y'all know it's been freezing on me. Okay. I have no earthly idea what this could be. And being that she want me to open it, unbox it on camera, y'all, I can't imagine what it is. So we're gonna see together. I told her I was gonna open it tomorrow, but I guess I can't wait. You know, my curiosity is. And I just can't imagine what it could be. I'm not really looking at it straight on right now because I'm nervous. Okay, here I go. Okay, let me move this box out the way. I still haven't looked. I'm not gonna look until I look. It says Smart Label Printer. Oof. I'm nervous. The simpler the better. Well, that's me. I need it simple. Let's see. Oh, my nerves bad. This is how I open gifts too, y'all. My little nerve be shot. Uh, because I'm the type, I like to know what's going on. And when I don't, make me nervous. Let's see. My second to the oldest daughter bought me this. And she is technical. She's a techie. Let's see. Y'all know I'm not a techie. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I was starting to think it was an iPhone. Cause we discussed it. My phone is cracked and we discussed that. Look. This here, it's a label printer. Anybody know anything about these? Somebody might know. Let me see. Look, it looks like a little old-fashioned radio. Look at that. This here, it says long press power button to open, caution, connection with Bluetooth app. Push down. Okay. I push this down. Okay. This is the paper. It's some kind of printer. Okay, let me close this up. I'm just checking because see, they When they give me something, it's usually programmed, but the paper is not open, so I'm going to cut this off. Somebody need to hold it. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what this is. It's a product manual label printer. They come in tomorrow, so they're gonna get me right. Press and hold button. Device complies. I'm trying to see. You know, these days they don't give me a lot of information on nothing. Okay, please read the menu carefully. How about that? High capacity. Niimbot label printer. And most things have to be coincided with the app. I don't know, this she said I'd be able to print, you know, vintage pictures and all kind of stuff. She was kind of looking at something like this. It didn't look like this, but anyway, let's see. I'm just trying to find a little something so we can know a little something. Slide the roll inward to secure the label, then pull the first label. Paper holder. Okay. And download. I'm just looking. They're gonna come tomorrow and get this together. When they get it together, I'm gonna show you. Should be inserted with the printing face down in the paper. Push the rolls. They are coming up with such high-tech stuff. But I know she said she wanted to give me some kind of printer that I could print out my own photos. I could make my photos and make vintage photos. She said I can, you know, I don't know, get whatever photos, take them and I can print them out myself and whatever. My phone is in the bedroom. I'm not looking at that. And it works with the Bluetooth. Anyone know anything about this? Okay. So we choose two conditions. Okay. Well, I guess everything is on everything is product manual. You know, people will ring your phone off the hook and you're not answering it. Stop that. Connecting to print, download software, installation, basic operations, indicator lights, okay. Okay, it's some kind of printer, y'all. It is some kind of printer. Technology is something else. Okay, this is all I have with it, and you know, these days they don't send a lot of stuff. This is it. This is a label printer, and it's Niimbot. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna when I lay down in my bed tonight, I'm gonna Google this and see what's up. I don't really know this name here. Jinger. Paper comes through this, I know. Just press down that. Okay. Okay, y'all. This help me figure it out. This is my unboxing. Miss T Ideas. This is one of my birthday gifts. My birthday is Saturday. Miss T Ideas, that's the end of my unboxing. Thank you for your time and your patience with me while I unbox my birthday gift. It came in the mail today, and my daughter asked me to open it online. So it has to do something with our crafting and printing, I'm sure. Um, Miss T Ideas, I'm overwhelmed. Bye.